Okay, so for the first part of the lesson, you're going to have students try to add up a total of money. So for the first example, you're going to ask them to make, say, 34 cents. So this is just an example: 4 pennies, 2 nickels, 2 dimes, or 1 quarter, 1 nickel, should be 4 pennies. And then they have 3 more opportunities to make it in different ways. If you do this on a whiteboard, you can wipe it off and then restart it. This one is having students add up their total and then trying to have less coins. So 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 82. So they can write in the corner that they have 82 cents. And then you can ask them if there are any coins that can go together. So for instance, 2 nickels make a dime. So you can put another dime in, take out 2 of them. However, 2 dimes and a nickel can make a quarter. And then we should still have 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 82 cents. And you can do that with multiple other numbers. You can do it with manipulatives, etc.